हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है स्कैटरिंग ऑफ द लाइट एंड इट्स इफेक्ट. एज वी नो एवरीवेयर द सन लाइट इज प्रेजेंट बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू सी द सन रेज एवरीवेयर, बट in the windows in dark room when the light rays passes, then we can see the light rays. Why this so? Because in dark room there are some dust particles are present, and these dust particles scatter the light. These small solid particles suspended in the fluid are known as colloidal particles, and these colloidal particles scatter the light coming into the room, and this scattering of the light by colloidal particles is known as Tyndall effect. The same kind of the phenomena is observed when the light rays passes through the dense forest. In dense forest, there are some water droplets are present, and these water droplets scatter the light and the light rays are visible. Now we will do an activity to understand the scattering of light. There is a source S of the white light and which emit the white light which passes through a lens L1, and after passing through lens L1 the light rays passes through a tank T containing transparent water, and after passing through this tank light rays will passes through a circular hole C, and image of this circular hole will be formed on the screen M1, and before that light rays passes through lens L2. The path of the beam of the light passing through the tank containing the true solution is not visible. Now what we will do, we will mix sodium thiosulfate hypo solution and 2 to 3 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid, and we will mix in another tank. Now we will keep this tank besides of water solution, and now we will see what will happen. After 2 to 3 minutes there will be some precipitate, microscopic precipitate of the sulfur particles will be observed, and these sulfur particles precipitate will act as a colloidal particles, and which will scatter the light, and the blue color of the light and the crimson red color is observed due to scattering of the light. So different colors in the tank are visible due to the scattering of the light by minute colloidal sulfur particles, and that is known as Tyndall effect. The phenomena of the Tyndall effect can be observed in the atmosphere also, like white color of the clouds, blue color of the sky, and the reddish color of the sun during sunset and sunrise. Now we will see how the blue color of the sky is observed, white color of the clouds is observed, and how the reddening of sun is observed. You know, in our atmosphere there are smoke, water droplets, and suspended dust particles and air molecules are present. When the light rays coming from the sun passes through the atmosphere, then these light rays are scattered by the colloidal particles present in atmosphere. The particles scatter a particular color of the scattered light, and that color of the light that gets scattered is the color of light we will see. As we see, the sun rays after passing through the clouds, in clouds there are water particles and the ice particles, and these particles scatter each color of the white light, and these colors combine as a white color, and which comes into our eyes. That's why the color of the cloud is white. The same kind of the phenomena happens when we see the sky, it appears bluish in color. This is because when the light rays coming from the sun passes through the atmosphere, now we will see the small size particles present in the atmosphere scatter the shorter wavelength. These particles scatter the blue color effectively. That's why the color of the sky will appear blue in color, because only the blue color is scattered, and we will see only that color which will be scattered. Similar case will happen during the sunrise and sunset. When we see the color of the sun during sunset and sunrise, we know during the sunset and sunrise the sun is at horizon, so the light rays has to cover larger path, and in this path the most of the colors faded away, and only the red color reaches to the atmosphere, so only the red color scattered. and due to the scattering of the red color, during the sunset and sunrise, the reddening appears because the red color reaches our eyes, that is larger in wavelength. That's why sun appear reddish. Now what will happen if there is no atmosphere? So my dear students, in that case everything will be black and black. Thank you.